everybody. Nangungulit yung Jollibee kung pwede daw silang mag-provide sa inyo ng value meal. Sabi ko, I don't know kung gusto nila. Walang nag-react, ibig sabihin, ayaw po nila. Okay. Again, good morning to everybody. In behalf of AMA Computer Learning Center, Gapan, I would like to welcome all our guests, special guests, in particular the San Nicolas High School, headed by Sir Eric, ang nag-iisang Piolo Pascual ng San Nicolas, Chess. And of course, mawawala ba ang suking-suki na natin ang nag-participate sa ating street dancing competition kanina. And of course, medyo malayo sila sa atin, but still, they make it this morning to be one of us para sa celebration ng 8th founding anniversary, no other than Santa Cruz National High. Okay, nandyan sila Ma'am Ana, si Ma'am Shen, of course, ang beautiful teacher nga ni Sir Jason. Okay, and of course, this activity will not be possible without the help and support of my very supportive faculty and staff. A special acknowledge to all the students who helped me last night to put all this bagting. Those bagting boys, I really thank you guys. And of course, my faculty and staff para maisip ang ganitong klase ng activity. Every year, kung mapapansin po ninyo, yung mga yearly guest namin na instructor, every year iba po ang tema ng aming foundation celebration. We try to make it a point na kakaiba. Because pag sa AMA, always remember, iba tayo! Tama ba? Some students will say, and will always say na they all they want is to study in AMA. Pero ang sinasabi nila parate, medyo mahal daw kasing mag-aral sa AMA. And we take pride on that. Always remember that an education should never compromise with the cheapest cost of tuition fee. If you want a very affordable, top quality education, it has to be an AMA. In behalf of our managing directors, my faculty and staff, welcome to the 8th founding anniversary. Viva Mardi Gras! Ocho Rachada for ACLC Gapan City.
Kano may mic naman. Okay. Palapakan natin si Ma'am Tess. Yan. Taon-taon, iba-iba ang concept namin ngayon. Meron kami mga paru-parong ganito, oh. Yan. Okay. Last year ba, ano motive natin? Mary Grace San Juan from Fort Rizal. Punta po tayo dito tayo sa gitna. Jonalie Vermas